This video is for the no solution and infinite solution notes. So sometimes when we have equations, we have some that don't have a solution, or every possible answer is true for that equation. So ones like this, so just like when we're doing the multi-step, we've got to distribute first. So we'd get negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 8x minus 2. And so then we move the variables to the same side. So if I add 8x to this side and I add 8x to this side, these will cancel. I'll get a negative 4. This will cancel, and a negative 2. And so negative 4 does not equal negative 2. So there is no solution to this equation. Infinite solution, so same thing, we need to distribute here first. And then we've got to combine like terms. That'll give me a negative 5. I think that's right. Okay, so we're going to move our variable. So they're all on the same side. So this cancels. This cancels. And so now I'm left with a negative 5 equals negative 5. So that means no matter what I plug in here for x, it's going to be equal on the same side every single time. So these are infinite solutions. That is an infinity sign. So every number could work as a solution. So here's some examples to work through. So again, we've got to distribute and combine like terms before we do anything else. So positive 6x and a negative 3x would give me 3x plus 6 equals 6 plus 3x. So I can tell by looking at this one, this 3x plus 6 is exactly the same as 6 plus 3x. So I know that when I work this one out, I'm going to get 6 equals 6, which are infinite solutions. All right, so here's another example. So we've got to distribute everything out first. So 12x minus 36, 14x minus 28. So I always move the smaller of the variables. And so then we can add 28 to both sides. So I get a negative 8 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And I get negative 4 equals x. So that one has a solution. All right. So again, we've got to distribute first. All right, so I'm going to move the 18x. So I get 58x minus 24 equals a negative 24. So I'm going to add 24 to both sides. And now I get 58x equals 0, which means x equals 0. All right, and then our last one here, we've got to distribute twice. So remember again, negative 4 is what we're going to distribute here, the whole piece. 3x minus 13, 7x plus 14, minus 4x plus 28. So we've got to combine like terms. So I've got 3x plus 42. So then we're going to subtract a 3x from both sides. And I get negative 13 equals 42, which negative 13 does not equal 42. So there are no solutions to this equation. So that's it for this video.